My name is Esther, and I work in California as a PA EA at an educational technology nonprofit. And I came to the Workation because I wanted to learn as much as I can from Sue. I heard about her from her books, which I bought from Amazon years ago, followed her on her website, found out about the Workation, and I'm so glad I came. It was one of the best investments of my career, and I'm so inspired to apply everything that I learned. Sue is really an expert in the field. She gave us a lot of information, a lot of inspiration, and I'm just so thankful for this opportunity. And if you're thinking about going on a workation, I definitely encourage you to do it. It could be one of the best investments of your career. Thanks.
Versa. Things can happen at work, we go home and we take it out on our loved ones. So we have to control ourselves, and if you remember what I said about the prefrontal cortex, once that stops working, we're working on our habits. We're working on how do we change habits. Well, we're going to talk about Charles Duhigg and about we have a trigger, we have an action, we have a reward, and these, whenever you think about what triggers your habit, then you can think, okay, I know now I'm going to be going down this path, I need to change it. Okay, now we've just been learning about the elements of TetraMap. Now we're going to play a game. So the game is, you're going to toss the tetrahedron, whichever side it lands on, the other person will be that main element. Okay? And you are going to convince that person, in whatever element it lands on, to organise a charity event. So how do you influence them, knowing that their highest element is whatever it lands on, okay? You all right with that?
Mm-hmm.
Right, okay. Go ahead and toss the tetrahedron.
Yes, I'm throwing it. So it's fire.
Fire. Okay.
So you're the highest element in fire, even though I know you're not, but you have to pretend you are, so you have to realise what fire element is, and you convince her as a fire element, how would she organise an event?
Okay, here we go. So I have this great idea. I was thinking we can organize a charity event for our favorite charity, and we're going to open it to the entire community. Maybe I'm thinking a fun party or some kind of celebration. Brings the community together. Just going to have loads of fun. Raise tons of money to donate, and I'm thinking, we have some music. Maybe we can have a theme.
Yeah. So benefits of change. I think one main point is to keep up with the new technology.
Great. I agree. And I think another benefit of change is cost effectiveness. Every company is interested.
Yes, it creates new opportunities for everybody, but also for oneself.
Definitely.
The self-development.
For sure.
Following an intense Workation week with Sue France, I'm pleased to say that I went back to my job with some new resolutions and a better understanding of different communication styles and behaviors. Sue France provides a clear picture of the position of assistant in today's business world. She gives valuable advice, and with a positive look on this role, she knows how to promote it for the benefit of each member of the organization. Sue is also very interested in the discovery and sharing of others' experiences, and I highly recommend getting to know her, as it is a wonderful opportunity for every assistant wanting to foster his or her self-development. I'm now looking forward to attending the Advanced Workation for Leadership and Team Management Skills with Sue France training. Maryse Musenga Malik, International Committee of the Red Cross.